create more fun and colorful crafts like this? Keep watching, because today we're making a gorgeous paper flower that's easy for anyone to do, whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter. Today, we're going to make a beautiful paper flower with just a few simple materials, and I'll walk you through every step. Start by grabbing a square piece of blue paper, around 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Fold it in half to get a nice crease. Now, carefully cut the edges to create a petal shape. Don't worry about making it perfect. Each petal is unique. When you unfold it, you'll see your lovely petals starting to come together. Now, for the center of the flower, grab a piece of yellow paper. You'll need a strip that's 21 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Cut this into a spiral shape. When you roll it up tightly, it will create the perfect little center for your flower. Once everything is glued together, your flower is starting to bloom. Let's move on to the final steps to finish up your beautiful paper flower. If you enjoyed making this flower, don't miss out on my other awesome crafting videos. Check out my step-by-step guide on how to create DIY paper flower craft in my latest video. Insert link to video. It's another fun project you won't want to miss. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new craft idea.